All right. Hey, look, Teresa and I are making sushi tonight, and we said to ourselves, can't make sushi totally sober. No, that's not what we said. We said can't make sushi without a drink in our hands, and the sushi will come in a later video. So we're going to make a sex in the driveway.
Yes, we are.
Sex
We're gonna...
in the driveway. Mom will be proud.
Yes, you will.
Start us off. What do we got in the sex in the driveway?
We're going to start off with Blue Curacao. 1 ounce. Plus, plus.
What else? What else?
This.
She's mad at me. Go ahead.
Show me how to do it.
Absolute Citron.
Peach Schnapps.
You shake it. You shake it.
That looks pretty.
That does look pretty. You're going to top it off with some Canada Dry just to give it a little fizzy wizzy.
Ready for sex in the driveway?
Boy, am I ready for sex in the driveway. Promise what you can't deliver on. Oh.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that is good. I'm glad we didn't think about it. We were just spontaneous.